These color photographs capture an innocent age a century ago of everyday life in Britain. Two young adults sit in the grass by a cliff near water and the village of Rottingdean in East Sussex in 1931. A group of children sit, playing in the sand in 1931 at Dymchurch Beach in Kent, which lies southwest of Folkestone. A girl puts an envelope in a postbox in Oxford in 1929. A girl sits in front of the rhododendrons in 1929 at Kew Gardens in southwest London, which was founded in 1840. Two Chelsea pensioners in signature scarlet coats in 1929. Two women buy ice cream from a vendor out of his converted car in Cornwall in 1928. An informal portrait of a farmer and his cart in the small town of Crowland in Lincolnshire, near Peterborough, in 1928. Locals enjoy the view of the Surrey Hills, in 1928. A young girl plays on the beach with bucket and spade in Sandown on the Isle of Wight in 1928. Characters in a pageant Britannia and her colonies and dependencies on the grass in Southampton in 1928. A man posts a letter next to a traditional telephone box in Oxford in 1928. A police constable passes the day with farmers gathering hay in Lancashire in November 1928. Children play on the sand near Yarmouth, a popular destination for holidaymakers on the Isle of Wight in 1928. A group of women hike in Cumbria in 1928. A woman sends a letter at a red pillar box on the Isle of Wight in 1928. Two girls send a letter at a red pillar box in Belfast in 1927. English Boy Scouts on a hike stop for a rest near Ambleside, northwest of Windermere in Cumbria in 1929. Two Chelsea pensioners sit on the steps in Oxford in 1929. An Ulverston tour bus in Cumbria in 1929. A man mows grain in 1929. Passengers ride on Billy, a locomotive picture running at the Kent seaside resort of Margate in 1931. A child stands by the Cat and the Fiddle Inn in Exeter in 1931. A woman walks on the street in Clovelly, 1931. A woman posts a letter in Oxford in 1928. Actors dress for a pageant as Britannia and her four knights as they pose for a photo in Southampton, Hampshire, 1928. A part of the company of yeomen preparatory, known as Beefeaters, at the Tower of London. A girl stands in an unidentified field in Lincolnshire in 1929 holding barley. An English woman points to her farm cart in Cambridgeshire, which bears the year before the photo was taken. Two children and a lady stand outside of a thatch-roofed cottage in Hampshire in 1931. A family builds a sandcastle at the seaside resort of Sandbourne, near Bournemouth in Dorset in 1932. A woman admires flowers in Clovelly, Devon, 1928. Two girls talk outside a home in Chillington, Devon in 1928. A boy posts a letter in a postbox in Sussex, 1928.